All right, Simply Delicious Catering. It is the Worcester Regional Chamber of Commerce Radio Blast. My great friend John Morrow, thank you so much for being here.
Oh, thank you so much, Hank, for having us.
You know what? This may be the first time that I have had you in and talked to you about your business and you're the co-owner of Simply Delicious Catering.
Exactly. Yep.
Wow. All right, fantastic. Hey, listen, tell me all about this. You've got some good things coming up, especially for right here at the holidays when we've got social distancing and a million other things happening.
Correct. It's a very trying time right now, and so what we've done is we've tried to think out of the box with packaging a lot of meals to go to families for different events. We've been doing weddings. A lot of people are calling us have meals sent for mercy dinners or to help elderly, and we're doing all that. Most of our staff is tested twice a week. We're located at Tufts University, so they really thrive on the testing part. So,
John, how did you guys get into the catering business?
well, I started over 30-something years ago, and it got to a point where then I had Denise carrying Kapolka join me, and she's now taking over the business for me as I get a little bit grayer. And she's got quite a bit of experience. She's worked with me since she's been 14 years old.
Ha! No kidding. Wow. That goes back a ways for sure. Listen, COVID-19, I would think, honestly, catering is interesting to me because you've obviously had to deal with all the challenges, but is it also something where now catering really sort of has this specific niche? How has COVID affected you?
Yeah, you are right, Hank. Catering is nothing like I have ever experienced over 30 years. It is just so different. We're lucky to have a small cafe out at Tufts University, which keeps us going. And so the catering is now becoming catering for 20 people, 8 people, 10 people, where it used to be large venues. So we're, like I said, we're mostly going right now to people's houses, dropping it off safely that they can serve to their family without bothering taking the time of cooking.
Very, very good. You're members of the Chamber, obviously, here on the Chamber Radio Blast. Has that helped being a member of the Chamber during all this?
Absolutely. I mean, there are just so many connections, the networking between all the different members, learning from each one. We're all going through this together. There is no roadmap, and so you really need to bounce things off other people.
Tell me a little bit more about Simply Delicious Catering, how, whether we're a business or whether we're putting together our holiday party or something, what it is that you can do for us, get us our plated meals, get us our boxed lunches, and how all of that works.
So I always said that what makes us different from many other people is that we have a passion of making people happy. We use the freshest ingredients. We like meeting with people to get a customized menu.
Yeah, just be able to get all the businesses all set up and ready to go and ready to roll, and that is much needed right now. I mean, I would think that that there's so many places where so many people have really had to rely on this.
Yeah, well, one of the biggest challenge for us was that you could not come in to pick it up. We had to go into online ordering.
Oh, yeah.
And so we have 2 different links, and so we had now had to become an IT person to set up all this functions for delivery and pre-ordering and in no cash, and it's been a challenge.
No, I bet. Absolutely. Listen, where do people go? What are the numbers? What's the way in which people get in touch with you? We want them to use Simply Delicious Catering.
So you go to simplydeliciouscatering.com is our web page.
So the simplydcatering.com, the best way to get in touch with people?
Correct, right.
Okay.
Yep. Or you can email us at simplydelicious@msn.com.
Fantastic. Give a call as well, 508-839-1911, and get hooked up with Simply Delicious Catering. I am so pleased that you were able to come in, and I'm able to wish you a happy holidays in person.
Thank you so much, and I wish all you all a nice holiday.